Good morning, friends. How are you all doing? Welcome to a Super Monday. This is going to be an action packed week. Be prepared. I have been warning you for a long time. Prepare for something big that might be coming. So, nothing to scare you up. Let me share the data. There's Abhishekraj, and once again, a daily dossier of Ask Abhishekraj. Let me share the data. Let me gear you up with all that you need to know in this fresh, new, and special week. So, let's get back to the data. Starting with the markets, overall Nifty was kind of flat, 0.1% negative. Most importantly, its open and high was the same. I'll talk about that during the Nifty chart discussion. Nifty Bank was negative by 1.3%. Autos were positive by 0.4%. Pharma was the hero with almost 5% gains. Nifty Energy was kind of 0.5% positive. Nifty IT was flat. Metal was flat to negative. Overall, it was a day when markets were flat overall in closing basis. However, its open and high was the same. Volatility fell by 0.3%. Fund flow has very less clarity. FIIs are kind of net buyers for the month of August. However, DIIs are net sellers in cash, wherein FIIs have sold a net of 5,500 crores in the month of September, in FNO segment. There is no clarity on the Indo-China situation as well, but again, I see it's getting more intensified. India has captured more of the peaks in Ladakh area, plus the situation of the coronavirus is even getting little worse, I would say. It has not gone bad, but yes, I would say it might be happening, because see, stock market trading is all about looking at the future, what might come up. So nowadays we have been talking a lot about hospitals getting into crunch of oxygen cylinders. So in case it's not addressed instantly, this could become little difficult. Overall, global markets were negative. Now, if you take a look at Nifty chart, one thing that I've been pointing, that's volumes rising on falling days and volumes shrinking on positive days. Nifty yesterday again closed above 20 days moving average. Its open and high was the same, but 20 days moving average was broken during the day. Nifty's open and high prices were the same with higher volumes as well. It was a flat to negative on daily charts, but volumes were higher. RSI does not show much of the strength. It's it's close to 50. Nifty has immediate support around 11,470, below which it may test its 50 days moving average placed around 11,260. Nifty has made a lower high pattern on daily charts, and now it's very important for any bullish approach for Nifty to close above 11,600 with good volume. So unless and until this happens, I would suggest not to go long aggressively. Taking a look at Bank Nifty, it's kind of weaker. Now let me discuss what exactly in Bank Nifty we're talking about. It closed below its 50 days moving average for the second day. Its high was very close to its opening price. Until it closes above 22,400 levels, there are chances that it may test its 100 days moving average that placed around 21,300 approx. It is very important for Bank Nifty to show some strength today in today's session. Else RSI may end up taking resistance at 40 levels. If that happens, be prepared for a bigger fall. So far, Bank Nifty is over 10% negative from high. See, when we talk this, see, there are multiple kind of downtrends. One is retracement, one is correction, and third one is recession that we saw lately. During the corona situation post February that we saw, that was a recession. Now correction is over 10%, and till 10% it retracement. Now if you take a look at Bank Nifty, 25,000 is the recent high. From there, if you talk 10% is 2,500 point. That's exactly 22,500. So that means now at 22,000 levels, we have given a closing below 10% level. So now we are no more in retracement. Unless and until Bank Nifty closes above 22,500, I would say stay up with a view of correction that may be kind of 20%. 20% fall. Corrections are usually 20%. Above 20%, we call a bear market. In case markets go below more than 10%, 20%, it's called a bear market. So far not bear market, but yes, correction is something that you should be expecting. If Bank Nifty doesn't give you a closing above 22,500, remember, trading is all the game about probabilities and possibilities. It's not about surety. What I'm saying is, if Bank Nifty sustains below 22,000 levels, it may test 20,000, which is like 2,000 points on downside. On the upper side, you have got a stop loss around 22,500. So 500 points at risk versus 2,000 points at reward. Yes, this is called trading setup, where you have lower risk and higher reward. Even if you get like 20%, 30% accuracy in these kind of setups, you would be in humongous profit. Remember. So on weekly charts, Bank Nifty has made a lower low and a lower high for 3 consecutive weeks. RSI, MACD both are negative. In short term, all the major banks, yes, that's most important. All the major banking and financial companies like HDFC, Kotakbank, State Bank of India, ICICIBank, HDFCBANK as well, they are all in downtrend. Other than Axis Bank, all are in downtrend. Yes, that's the bigger pain. Again, Axis Bank is also at the verge of getting negative. Below 440 levels, it will become negative, remember. Now, this is how you should be approaching the markets in today's session. You can sell Nifty below 11,470 if it sustains, and your stop loss would be 11,600 on closing basis with good volumes. Bank Nifty is sell below 22,000 levels with stop loss placed around 22,400, no long positions. Again, these are all recommendations in case things shape up accordingly during the market hours. These are not trades. Trade as per your own risk and after discussing with your personal financial advisor. For my clients, I give them trades on real-time market hours. Metal index is kind of negative, so avoid longs, no short as well, no trade into metals. Nifty IT is positive, but it looks difficult to buy at the current levels. That the deviation, there's a huge deviation from 20 days moving average, so I'll choose to wait unless and until it comes a little closer to 20 days moving average. Nifty Pharma is positive, you can find some buying opportunities. Nifty Energy is under consolidation. It's positive above 15,800 levels and support is placed at 15,540. That's its 50 days moving average. Nifty Auto positive, buying by stock specific buying opportunities. Now this is going to be very important because in today's session, after a very long time, or I would say for the first time in last couple of months, I have got more short trades than long trades. So when these things happen, it means a lot of short positions are being built up. So in case these short positions are being built up by smart money, the big fishes, markets can literally go in deep recession. And in case this reverse, these positions are made by the retail traders, we are looking at a huge upside as well. So be very precautious and play with numbers, stop losses. Like positive above 22,500 closing Bank Nifty, negative below 22,000 levels, stop loss will be 22,400. Rest, let me share the stocks that you need to be keeping on radar in today's session. Long stocks would be Asianpaint, Bajajholdings above 2639. Cipla would be your long position, as DLF and Godrej properties are your long radars. On short radar, these are the stocks that you need to keep. Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Financial Services, Bandhanbank. Bandhanbank is a short below 294 levels. Bank of Baroda is a negative. Bataindia negative below 1323, stop loss with 1360. COLPAL is negative, Exide is negative, HDFCBANK, HDFC, ICICIBANK, Kotakbank, Larsen & Toubro, Nestleind and State Bank of India. So your short radar consists of approximately almost 15 stocks, and long radar has got only 5 stocks. So plan yourself accordingly. So I hope I gave you enough download on what you should be keeping on radar to make money in case markets goes down or it goes up. Play with it as per what happens in the real market scenario. So that would be all in today's session. Thank you so much for watching and listening. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Comment in case you want any clarity on any specific stock or any trade. Anything that you may want to know, I would be more than happy to help you. Thank you so much. Abhishekraj signing off. Stay healthy, stay wealthy.